What's up, guys? Welcome back to another All for Fun video. It is 1:30 in the morning, right? We're headed out to Cali. We're excited. We're exhausted. What do you think, Tate?
I'm not excited to drive 2 hours. Like Luke was saying, it's like we planned this as a joke almost, and now it's like real. That's what it feels like. And so, yeah, I'm like weirdly nervous and excited at the same time. Thank you to our sponsors.
You guys ready? Let's get it. Let's get psyched, so to speak.
I don't know how to open a door.
No idea what we do.
Put it on this windshield.
Alright guys, phase one, check.
Put this
Yep, we're here.
in like your glove box or something.
Yo! Phase one. Yep, getting psyched. Check.
In Seattle.
We're parked.
We're the airport.
Now, time to get on the shuttle.
Yep.
Let's cruise. We're in Seattle. Ready to get on the shuttle, go to the airport. It's like 3:50 in the morning still.
I have 2 Red Bulls already.
Luke had 2 Red Bulls. We're excited. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a
Don't look away!
long morning. I haven't looked like away yet.
Look at him.
Right? Right? Okay guys, so we've been in the airport since 8 o'clock?
Yeah, it's been like an hour and a half.
Yeah, we've been here for a while. Basically, we're just waiting to get the house. Should be ready soon.
It's kind of drag.
Yeah, we're kind of bored. We're ready to get barreled. So we decided we were done sitting inside. We're calling the Uber. We're gonna go near the house. We're not ready to check in yet, but we figure we better head that way. And we just need to get out of that airport. We've been in since like 8 o'clock this morning and it's like 12:30.
Psych levels were low.
Psych levels were low. We gotta get to the beach, get psyched again, and have some fun. We're going to Uber right now.
I don't know how to get
You guys can see, Luke doesn't know how to use the Uber yet. He's never been to Uber driver, right?
Well, it's hard to, like, I don't have an address to give him.
Well guys, we finally made it after a long day of traveling and sitting in the airport.
Yeah.
We're at the beach. Waves look surprisingly
They're
good.
pretty good.
Walking up, it looks flat, like from the horizon, and then we got up.
I'd say
It,
those are 3
it
feet.
dips,
looks good, it looks
dips
fun.
way down.
Oh, I'm getting psyched right now.
We haven't checked into the house yet.
I know, I want to go get
Yeah,
boards though.
but,
I want to go
oh.
paddle out there, man. Alright guys, we finally got checked in the house. It's small, but it's pretty sweet. It's gonna be fun. You guys check it out.
Jenga.
Sweet. We even got an Xbox.
Yeah, we got the Xbox.
I know.
It's kind of small.
Super small. Closet, bedroom, cot, just enough for the boys. And Bobby. Bobby counts as one of the boys though.
Body counts.
Yeah,
What is that?
She's just a pretty one. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here in Huntington Beach. We finally got the surfboards ready to go. Bobby's got a brand new one right here. We gotta wax it up. We're gonna get out there. We're all getting psyched. Waves are pumping pretty good. Not quite as good as yesterday, but
Hopefully they'll get better throughout the
they should get big throughout the week, so it's gonna be sweet. We hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you out on the water. You guys feel about your surf trip? Yeah. Staying psyched.
We need like another week.
Dude, I know.
Like another week would be like pretty good actually.
I feel like if we keep at it, eventually maybe shortboard. Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
I hope so.
It's gonna take some time.
It will. So guys, sadly, we're on our way home from California. It's an awesome trip, had a lot of fun surfing, caught some good waves. Didn't get a lot of footage of us surfing because it's really hard to get the camera out there without getting just pummeled by waves, which we did a lot of, getting pummeled by waves.
And then when you do, it just looks bad.
Yeah, so we got some footage of some other surfers just to show you guys that part, showed you the environment and everything. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, comment, click the notification bell, and remember, it's all for fun.